Today, we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Max. What you're going to find in there is the case, the Max, and the SD card if you ordered it from GoPro. As you open the case the GoPro is actually in, you'll find the lens caps, mount, the charger, and the battery.
Oh, wow, it comes with a pouch. That is actually pretty sick.
In the pouch, you will find some lens protectors, Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See y'all next time.